Hey everyone, welcome to another video with me. In this video we're going to be learning how to create your own custom brush. With that you can change the size, you can change the color. It's great to use for maybe signatures or anything you want really. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got my layer here. You don't want it to be too small, in your canvas, sorry. Don't want it to be too small because it does get a bit pixelated. I'm just using 1920 by 1080 because that's the last setting I used. I wouldn't go below 500 really, or else the smaller you make the brush, the more pixelated and blurry it gets. Okay, so I'm just going to start by typing anything. So I'm just going to write here anything and pixels. Can't really see it there, so let me just get my character, notch it up a little bit, or quite a bit. Okay, so I just want to center that quickly. So anything that's black in the canvas will be shown on your brush. So even if you want to have little artistic flares around it, as long as they're black, it will be shown. Don't worry about using colors because colors won't show, okay? And gray will kind of be like in between. Let me make a gray circle quickly. Let's go into my brush, create a new layer. So let's go roughly 50% gray, and I'll make 2 splodges just on either side. Just for fun, don't worry about the look of it. Okay, so once you've got that, you want to actually create the brush itself. So what you want to do, you just want to go up to Edit and down to Define Brush Preset. And you can name it what you want. Let's just call this Brush 1, for example. And okay, so now it's created the brush. You can see it over there. Okay, so let me just remove those layers and create a new one so we can see how it works. And it is perfect. Okay, and you can change the color as well. Let's go to, let's say, red, and we're changing it to red. You can make it a bit smaller, and blue, just like that. Well, I hope you guys found this helpful. Let me just show you how it works on an image, for example. And while I'm busy going over there, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, enable the notifications so you can see any future videos of mine. So I've changed the color back to black, which won't work that well on this photo, but you can see here, let's just go in there. Those gray ones that we used, they're semi-transparent. Let me just go to, you can see here they're pretty transparent. That's because we did 50% gray. So if you wanted your whole brush like that, do it 50%. Okay, the black doesn't really work on this, so I'm going to go back to my brush, pushing X to make the foreground white, and clicking it like that. Okay guys, stay tuned for the next video. I hope you like this one. Thank you.